How can I make my Flair more confident and cool looking?
One of the tips that will definitely help you is looping. What do I mean? You take one or few moves that you want to improve and loop them. Examples. For example, you want to improve this trick. You add to moves that will help to loop. And loop it. Then just do it smoother and faster. Next example. You have this trick and you don't need any linking moves to loop it. Then you just loop only this trick. Next example. You have few moves that you want to loop. Add linking move. And loop. Next example. You have one move. You add one throw to have time to change grip on tins and you loop it. Next example. Here you just loop to moves through juggling. Next example. You can also loop a part of sequence, or even whole Flair sequence. Improve your Flair and become better every day.